Hi gorgeouses, welcome back to my channel. So today we do have another unboxing for you. This one here is from Causebox. I was really interested in Causebox because every item in here supports a different cause. So I believe with their Springbox collection, it was going against human trafficking. I also hear a lot of these brands, women-owned companies, and of course I really wanted to support that. So this is my first box from them. I'm trying to open it up now, and I probably should have opened it earlier with a little box cutter and split open the shipping tape because, oh my, I didn't realize how much there was. Like wax, ready, 1, 2, 3, and pull! Oh, I only got a little bit of, got it open. Okay. So as you can see here on the box, it is all nice and decorated on the outside of the box. Let's go ahead and open her up and see what's in store. Okay, so much like the FFF Fit Fun thing, it also comes with a magazine. This one is called Good News, which is always good to have. I like that. That's going aside. Ooh, this one has a little sticker, and look, it's a little woman. I like that a lot. That's really adorable. Can I open it? Again, we have the printed tissue paper, which is always a nice touch. I'm gonna go ahead. I don't really wanna. Can I go around the sticker? Wait, here. All right. So this box is partially, at least that I know of, is partially customizable. I was able to customize 3 items in this box just by choosing the color of the options that were given. So the first thing in this box is one of the customizable options that I had available to me. This is I believe it was a vegan alternative leather, and it is a nice rose gold pouch or clutch with the rose gold clasps. And I do believe, oh my, packing stuff everywhere, it keeps coming out. It's large enough here for a tablet. It does have several pockets here on each side. Pocket there, pocket there, pocket there. Same thing on this side. Next tab here we have, is that a pocket? Okay, this part is not a pocket. That one is sewn shut. Oh, but it is a pocket on this side. Let's see. Pocket on this side, pocket on this side, pocket for your business cards, and calculator, things of that nature. And on the back side, again, looks like we have another pouch right here. And that's nice. And it was designed in California, but ethically made in China. And I like that that's engraved. This is really nice. I can't wait to carry it and load it up with all of my business goodies. Okay, let's put this aside for now. Okay. Okay, and then up next, it actually does provide you a postcard. I want you guys to take a look at the artwork here. Very nice. And it says, artwork by Aliha Horvat. Post that for you guys right there if you guys want to check her out. Of course, we're all about promoting each other and the positivity here. The next item in the box, well, let's see, let's take a look here. Here's the rest of it laid out. Oh gosh, this one's falling, so I'm gonna open up this one next. This was another customizable option. It was a bracelet. I was given 2 options, the moon and stars or a key, and I chose the moon and stars because I like the dangliness of it. And again, this is by Marina de Bucci. Cute little golden bracelet. Put that aside. Alright, now next, let's go ahead and get the final things that I customized out of the way. This was the last option that I was able to choose. This is a pink rose scarf, but it's supposed to be long enough to wear as a belt. So let's take a look here. Well, first of all, let's take a look at this pattern. It does look fairly big. I'm not quite sure if that's long enough to be a belt. Oh yeah, I guess it is. Yeah, it is pretty big actually. But it's a nice length. You can see here. Can't even get it all in the frame. So it is very nice. I can't wait to tie my hair up in it. Well, you know what hair I have left anyway. Let's see if I can just do a little number real quick. I might just toss it in here for the rest of the video. Tags on it and everything. There, perfect. All right, so next up in the box, we have this one, and it's Mist, M-I-S-T, Congeniality, Rose Water Hydra Mist, Rose Aloe Chamomile, and Witch Hazel. Ooh, 100% naturally derived and 79% organic by a brand called Kalos. It does come in a little plastic wrap bag. I just want to see how it smells like. I can definitely smell the rose and the chamomile in it. It smells very relaxing and refreshing. All right, this one is, I think I have this already. It's Cosmetics Glow Bamboo Brightening Mask. I believe I actually got this in another box, but perhaps not. I know I've had this brand a few times before. One of them might have been the clay mask, to be fair. But either way, they're a good brand. All right, so next up, looks like we have 1, 2, 3 items left that I can see in this box. So here, this is interesting. It looks like, well, an adult activity rope. When you need a safe word. You know what I'm talking about, don't act like you don't. All true, made for good. Macrame plant hanger. Ooh, fun. Too bad I don't have a green thumb to save my life. Me and plants. I love plants. I love having them in the house. I think they bring good energy. I love that they cleanse the air and purify the air. But I can't grow them. I can't keep them alive. I don't know how you people do it. I mean, I'm so jealous, but oh, this is really cute. But I bet you I could still use it decoratively with some things, or even if I got maybe like a fake plant to hang in there. So, I really like these rope, the macrame rope. I always wanted to be able to do this, and I just don't have the patience for it. We have, oh, let's get rid of this one. Is Wild, Y-L-D as in Wild Stallions. Bill and Ted reference, if you guys remember that. Cognac Facial Cleansing Sponge. Ooh, infused with French pink clay. For normal to dry and sensitive skin types. And if you guys can see the watercolor roses, it almost matched my robe right here. So I feel like it's very fitting. I'm curious to see what this is though, like I want to open it up. Ooh, okay, a little sponge. It's just like packaging smell. It's not like the product itself. So that'll be interesting to see, to play with. We're gonna put that one aside. All right, looks like last item in the box here. So last item in the box, get rid of all the little grass, is Bamboo Lyocell Eye Mask by Attitude. Then you got an attitude problem. We love pandas, but not panda eyes. Use this eye mask for relaxation and sound sleep. Made with our signature bamboo lyocell fabric. It is hypoallergenic, antimicrobial, and extremely breathable. Sheep not included. So I kind of want to open this up. Ready? See what it looks like. I've seen this pattern quite a bit on various different products, whether it's eyeshadow, lashes, that nature. And here we go here. So just plain white. There's no design to it. I have a little loose string here, no big deal, and it looks like I can see where the band was pressed into it. You can see all those little lines right there. But, like, you know, when you, how do I say this? Like, I can't think of the exact smell, but like, you know, when you get fresh sheets, or like you undo a pack of sheets before you toss them into the wash, and like they're brand new and you take them out of the packaging and they just have that like fresh, like packed smell that you're like, oh, this will be good and nice and comfy once I get it all broken in. And I'm a little afraid to put this on as well. I'm sure many of you thinking, oh, you look better this way. Well, and I don't want to fully put it on because then it's going to smash my lashes, and that's just not cute. Alright guys, but that wraps it up for my first Causebox. I am ever so pleased with it. Again, it doesn't have the B-type products in it, but I just absolutely love the fact that they all support different causes, and you can learn more about it at the link below. And again, I'll drop that down for you guys. So if you like this unboxing, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, gorgeous.